Last year, one of the strongest El Niños on record produced one of the largest snowstorms in our area's history, dumping 2 to 4 feet of snow in many areas, despite it being a warmer than normal winter overall. And our past few winters have all featured above normal snowfall, and with brutal cold and with wind chills and even some temperatures that fell below zero, and this year may just continue that trend. Last year's El Niño has fizzled out, and we now have a weak La Niña, which normally brings a milder and wetter winter to our area, but there is a lot more to consider. Another major player in our winters is the water temperatures in the northeastern Pacific. Warmer than normal water from the Gulf of Alaska and along the west coast can help buckle the jet stream in a way that delivers colder and stormier conditions to the eastern U.S. Another major player is the amount of snowfall during the month of October over Siberia, and this year it was the third highest amount on record. In addition, Arctic sea ice is on a record slow recovery rate, and recent research has shown that these two variables can help bring Arctic cold into the eastern U.S. So what does all of this mean for us? Well, I think this year will be colder than last year, and it could be by a lot. I think we will see more frequent storms this year, but mostly on the smaller side. And if you're wondering if we'll see another big blizzard or crippling snowstorm, the chance of that, I think, is very low this year. December will likely feature variable temperatures, but I think it will start turning colder by the end of the month. Across the U.S., I expect much of the eastern U.S. to see a rather cold winter, with the heart of the cold air centered over the upper Midwest. If you're looking for any warmth, the West will likely see warmer than normal conditions. Around our area, it will certainly be cold, and I expect December will be near normal. The cold will settle in during January and will last through February and even into March. Because of this, don't expect spring to arrive in a timely manner. In terms of snowfall, December will likely be our least snowy month. January will feature some snow, but I expect February to turn much more active, and that could linger right into March. Overall, a snowier than normal winter is expected. So how much snow am I expecting? I think 20 to 30 inches for most of southern and south central Maryland. Across lower southern Maryland and southern Delmarva, 12 to 20 inches. And across northern Maryland, I think around 30 to 40 inches closer to the I-95 corridor, and over 40 inches for areas further north and west.